I'm John Doyle.
Hi, I'm Peter Maywan.
And this is our experiment for an earthquake-proof building.
This is what we do to simulate an earthquake.
Quick.
Okay, there. Should I shake now? Yeah. Okay, so.
There you go.
This is our first building, and we're going to do the earthquake on it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Ouch. So,
How long did that take, Peter?
That took 3 seconds.
so
Didn't take
this
that
took 3 seconds to destroy completely, and it's still falling apart. So now we are going to make a stronger building to withstand the earthquake.
Alright, so how long did it take you guys to make that last building?
It took us about like
Couple minutes.
5 minutes maybe.
Alright.
5 minutes.
How long did it take to destroy the building again? With the earthquake?
Well, since that one wasn't so sturdy, it took 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Alright. What do you think were some of the structural inefficiencies of the building?
It was just too thin, and it was too tall, so that might be a problem there.
Alright. What do you think you could do to make the building stronger?
More toothpicks.
Yeah, adding more toothpicks, more like structure, like crisscrossing the toothpicks to make a stronger design, and making the base wider.
Alright, fantastic. Thank you for your time.
Well, this is our second test, and this is the stronger building. Starting 3, 2, 1, now. Didn't really get destroyed, just got flopped over, so we're going to just try this one more time to see if it can get destroyed. And as you can see, it has no sufficient damage. It just bounced up and it went like this. But other than that, it received almost no damage at all.
And we're back. So can I ask you, about how long did it take to build this newer, stronger building?
3 hours.
About 3 hours? Why did it take so long?
It took so long because, well, one, I got frustrated with it. Me and Peter got frustrated. And two, we had to figure out a better design. And we went through designs. So, like, we went through this one design where we put 2 toothpicks together. And then it went across, and we had one full toothpick instead of cutting the toothpicks. And so that was one. Plus we had to make it wider. So that.
All right, fantastic. So what are some of the structural changes between the last building to this building?
It's shorter and it's much wider.
A lot more toothpicks to help it stand up.
Mm-hmm. You did the cross hatching?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now that we know a little bit about your experiment, what do you think the difference is between the real-life earthquake and your experimental earthquake?
The building for a real life, well, if an earthquake was to destroy our real life building, it would actually, since it has support in the ground, it would actually make the building have cracks in it and split apart. But since ours doesn't have any support underground, it would just flop over.
Yep.
not break.
Fantastic. How does it feel to create a earthquake-proof building?
Feels pretty good.
It's pretty good. All right. Thank you for your time.